Mama.
Get those chickens fed. Make sure the cows get fed. There's that hole in the chicken coop you gotta finish.
Yes, Mama.
And you wanted apple pie for dinner, so I need some apples picked.
They're in the wheelbarrow behind the house, Mama.
Dear me, where does all this dirt come from? I just can't seem to get rid of it. Billy Joe, you got the garden weeded?
Working on it, Mama. Almost done.
Did you get the chickens fed?
Yes, Mama. I fed the chickens.
The cows, did you get them milked?
Did that a long time ago.
How about the chicken coop?
Well, don't worry. I'll get to it. They couldn't have gone far if they even got out, which they're not quite small enough. So it's all good.
All right, and those apples for the pie, you did get those, didn't you?
Oh, they're in the wheelbarrow. I picked those yesterday.
All right, dinner will be ready soon. Dinner's ready.
All right, what's for dinner?
Well, life's on a farm, a kind of laid back, ain't much an old country boy who can't hack. Rolling the rice, burning sack, thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I think kind of life that you know how, raising me family, working on the farm. These are all filled up with a country car, thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a farm, I got me old baby, the sun's coming up like a cake's on the middle. Life ain't nothing but a funny riddle, thank God I'm a country boy. When the work's all done and the sun's setting up,
Country boy!